Do you want to do a long video about how you really are? All right, long video. Here's what happens. You think she's been running all day. She's just now at a year old, bringing the ball back and putting it in my lap, which is what you want. She's kind of run off course a little bit. I need you to sit and just wait. And you'll see that energy is so high, she just doesn't know what to do. It drives her nuts. Now you got Buck. He's a little excited, but he knows not to fight me. Right. So I'm just standing here talking to show you how she acts. Now if I grab that ball, mood changes. Right. What? You want the ball? Does Buck want the ball? You know what would happen if I gave Buck this ball? He would try to get it. Are you learning bad behavior, Buck? Come on now. Buck, can you sit? But he can't sit like this. Everybody's in an uproar. Can you sit? Dad, let's go on a hunt. Let's go. All right. All right, ready? Go get it. And this. Well, I'm not standing here all night. Your lab. You bring it back. All right, I'm going back to sit down. Bye. Okay, so where's the ball? We get sidetracked? All right, look. I need it here. Buck, you're blocking me. You're sitting in my lap. You're funny. Well, that's good. You brought it back, but I need it right here. I need it right here. Where's the ball? Okay, right here. And she drops it. I don't even have it. And she takes off to the front yard, where she can stay.